Are there any risks associated with downloading and installing applications from ACMarket?
Hello everyone. In today's discussion, we'll dive into the topic of the potential risks associated with downloading and installing applications from ACMarket. As an alternative marketplace for Android apps, it's vital to understand how to navigate this platform safely and securely.
What is ACMarket?
ACMarket is a third-party app store for Android devices designed to provide access to apps and games that may not be available on the official Google Play Store. It's particularly popular for offering modified or modded versions of games and applications. While it can offer a new dimension of flexibility, it's important to understand what this means for your safety and security.
Are there risks involved?
Yes, there are risks involved when downloading and installing applications from ACMarket. Here are some of them. 1. Malware risks. Since ACMarket is not as strictly regulated as the Google Play Store, there is a higher risk of downloading an application that has been infected with malware. 2. Privacy risks. Some applications from ACMarket might request permissions that they do not need for their operation. This could potentially lead to a breach of your personal data. 3. Legal risks. ACMarket provides modified or cracked versions of apps and games, which may violate copyright laws and terms of service.
How can I protect myself?
While ACMarket poses potential risks, there are precautions you can take to minimize these. 1. App permissions. Always review the permissions that an app is requesting. If it's asking for more than what's necessary for its operation, it's safer to not install it. 2. Use antivirus software. To protect your device from potential malware, ensure that you have reputable antivirus software installed and updated. 3. Legal aspects. Be mindful of the legal implications of downloading cracked or modded apps and games. Stick to legal and ethical practices to avoid potential issues. While ACMarket can provide access to a variety of apps and games, it's crucial to be aware of the risks involved and take necessary precautions. Remember, your device's security and your personal data's privacy should always be your top priority. Stay safe, stay informed, and happy app exploring.